you. So I just got back from talking to my friend. I wanted to like get together with her and talk about like business stuff. She has had her business for a year, so I wanted to ask her like all the behind the scenes stuff, like what I should do, what I need, basically reaffirm like where I should be going right now. And it was such a good talk. I learned a lot. And Cora, if you're watching this, thank you so very much for the information that you gave. But while I was gone, 2 packages came. 2 packages, and I've been waiting on these packages. The first package is, I'm pretty sure they're my thank you cards, and I got them from gotprint.com. Bam, bam, boom, bam. I wanted to keep it simple, but I just love this design. Like, it's so cute. I came up with the design myself, and I just can't wait to actually use them and put them in a package. I came up with everything by myself, like the logo and all that, because y'all know I like to draw, I like to make stuff, I like to do all that creative type of stuff. It's like second nature to me. But the next package is my logo labels, the ones that you sew inside a shirt. And I got these from wonderlabel.com. Wonder is spelled with a U instead of an O. Okay, this is the tag. Yeah. And I got 50 of these. It looked like more, but I cannot wait. I started a business like earlier. I wouldn't even call it a business. I would just call it an idea. I started an idea like a couple months ago. I didn't really put no time or effort into it. And obviously it didn't work out because I didn't put nothing into it. No time, no effort, literally no nothing. No marketing, no nothing. But this time around, I am literally putting my all into this. And I really hope it pays off. Like, I really hope it pays off. I'm putting in so much money, time, effort, designs, everything. I just hope it pay off. This week I'm supposed to be like getting everything ready, like my content, pictures, videos, TikToks, editing YouTube videos, editing pictures, making TikToks, making reels, making Instagram posts. I'm trying to get all that done this week so I can start posting next week, which is March 7th. I have a lot to do still. And I still need to set up the business side of it. I need to do the taxes part, the business license part. Okay, hey y'all. Today is Monday, March 7th. The first day I'm starting to post. So I just posted at like 11:07 and I just got my first follower. I'm so happy. I haven't looked at how the videos are doing. I posted a reel on Instagram, then I posted a TikTok on TikTok obviously. But if y'all want to go see what it is, go watch it. This is definitely coming out after I already posted it, so go see it. If you haven't seen it and you watching this video, comment something. Comment 7 under if you're just now seeing the post under my first post. But I'm so happy, and it seems so, I don't know. But right now I am editing my product pictures. I'm waiting on them to load into Photoshop so I can just edit them real quick. I'm also editing some of my Instagram pictures that I'm going to post, and I'm editing them on my phone using Photoshop Express. I love that app. I got a package. This is some of my last minute items, I guess. Some of the stuff I forgot to order the first time, and then some of the stuff I ordered after I started making samples. So yeah. The first thing is some rolled hem foots. Just to make it easier when I'm sewing, the sampling process kind of took me a while, and I don't want to take as long as I did to make my pieces to make your pieces. Second thing I got was these little slider adjuster for my purse handles. Then the next item, I'm pretty sure this is my bias tape maker. It was so hard to make the bias before around the armholes, but now I got these, so hopefully it'll be easier. Then the last thing, this is the one thing that I forgot to get, is my packaging poly mailers. I'm finishing up my website, and I sent it to my brother because if you know me, like, I'm not really that great with grammar through like messages and stuff, because I just be thinking so fast and typing even faster, and I don't be seeing my mistakes even if I keep going over a billion times. But gave him the password to my website just to go through it and check it and see if it's any mistakes, any grammar issues, anything I need to change, anything I could add. So I wake up this morning to all these screenshots. This is literally everything I need to change. And then he gonna write so sloppily on the freaking screenshots. You can't even barely even tell what he's saying. So now I gotta go in and change all the stuff he said I need to change or add. I'm not gonna change everything he said I need to change, because some little stuff we've been a little picky. But a lot of stuff he said was had to do with the grammar, wording, or like explain a little more about something I said. So I'm gonna go in and do that. I still haven't added my product picture. That's the last thing I really gotta do. And I gotta set up shipping. But today I'm going to go get my PO box so I can do that. And hopefully this website be done by, I say Thursday. I've been in the habit of making unrealistic time frames. Like I say, oh, this will be done by this time. And then it'll be done an hour later, 2 hours later. Because I'm not giving myself enough time to actually do the stuff. I'm just saying when I want something to be done, but not actually putting in how much it actually would take. So today is Tuesday, the week before our launch. So obviously I need to get it done. It's launch day. I am so freaking happy that I am launching today. It feels so surreal, like it feels crazy. Like I've been working on this for so long and I'm finally launching it and telling people that I started a brand. I posted on YouTube, I posted some on my Scrap Files page and some on my, and that's it. And I haven't posted on my main page that I already got followers on. And today, that's what I'm doing. So a lot more people is going to know now, which is crazy. And the thing is, I don't even expect to get any sales. Like I really don't expect to get any sales. But I'm just happy that I'm launching it and starting something and actually finishing something, because you know, a lot of people just talk or start something and don't finish, and I have did that a lot of times since I got to college. YouTube and this business is literally the only thing I have stuck to and not moved on to something else because I got bored or just it didn't work out, so I just moved on real quick. I didn't even give it time or chance to even work out. And like this feels so much different, like so much different. One reason I say I don't think I'm gonna get any sales is because I only got 4 followers on Instagram on my Scrap Files page, and I only got 5 followers on TikTok. So I don't really expect to get any sales, but I don't even care about getting any sales. I'm just happy that I started this. So on today's agenda is literally just post everything. I woke up at 7:30, got ready by 8:30, which means take a shower, do my hair, all that, so I can hurry up and record these TikToks and post them. Because y'all know on TikTok, these trendy sounds be going way too fast, like way too fast. So I had to hurry up and record these trending TikToks and post them. Hopefully I get some views, I don't know. But since it's my launch day, I'm gonna celebrate by buying myself a cupcake and some boba. So we're gonna do that later. And I'll show y'all my website, because by the time this video come out, it would have been already out. So, okay, it is so fire. Okay, this is the website. Y'all see those ghosted pictures? Ain't that so fire? And then you scroll over it. There I go. The inspiration for this website was Alexander McQueen. He has ghosted pictures and then like a picture over here. I really thought that was fire, because it's like you can show yourself style in it, which a lot of people like because they don't really know how to pair or dress the pieces. So if you just not watching this video, just not finding out I started a brand, launched a website, all that, go check my website out. Go check out my social media, Scrap Files on TikTok, Scrap Files on Instagram. thescrapfiles.com website. I'm back. I got Thai tea boba and I got a red velvet brownie cupcake and a key lime cake. 1 more hour until I launch. So scared. I just can't wait till people see my website, but I can't wait till they see the shop part, because it just looks so fire, especially with the ghosted photos. But I still don't expect to get any sales, not even from my friends for real, because most of the people I know don't have the same style as me. So it's like I don't expect them to buy something that's not their style. You get what I'm saying? Like I'm not gonna buy something that I don't wear, so I don't expect them to buy something that they wouldn't wear. But if they do buy something, oh, I'm gonna be surprised. Everything that I had to post, I posted. And basically it's going good, but now I am scared to like post. Like I know a lot of people who got businesses, and they like sometimes they feel like when they be posting, they kind of scared of what people gonna think of the post, if people gonna like it, blah blah blah. When I didn't have no followers, I did not care, because it's like I don't have no followers, so I'll just post anything. And I'm not saying post anything like just post something crazy. I'm saying post stuff like TikToks and just content like that. But it's this one particular TikTok that I was scared to post, but I just posted it because it's like, who cares? Who cares? But it's just so funny now, because now that I told the public, now I feel a little bit scared of what to post and stuff like that. But honestly, I'm just gonna get over that because I already got my posts lined up for the next 2 weeks. So it's like, oh well. Oh my gosh, it's 1:59. Let me hurry up. I just gotta unlock the pages real quick. Set password, everyone. Whew, my stomach hurt. Save. And press publish when it's 2 o'clock. Oh my gosh. My site is finally launched. Scrap Files is finally launched. If you're watching this video, go check it out. And yeah. I got an order. I got an order from my friend Kaylin. Thank you so much, Kaylin, for buying something. I really appreciate it. Let's see, what did she buy? She bought a mini skirt. Kaylin is one of my friends that I was talking about in one of my earlier videos, where she is just doing, she's just doing it. Like, she's doing it. She is a singer, songwriter, photographer, literally everything you can think of. She's literally been chasing her dreams since she was like out the womb, like literally out the womb. So go support her. Her Instagram is Kaylin Mary Music on Instagram, and her YouTube is Kaylin Mary. And just go support her, listen to her songs, everything. Thank you so much, Kaylin. I really appreciate it. I got another order. It's from my cousin Chloe. Thank you so much, Chloe. It's so funny that you ordered today, because I'm literally finna order from you, literally. Thank you so much. Let's see what she bought. A black rib tank top.